Many people today want to share their knowledge online and earn money by selling courses. Creating and selling online courses used to be difficult and confusing, but now there are tools that make the process simple and fast. One such tool is the LearnWorlds. LearnWorld is a platform that helps you to build, customize, and sell online courses without needing to know the complex technical skills. In this video, I will walk you through a step-by-step LearnWorlds tutorial so you can understand how it works, how to set up your course, and how to make money. LearnWorlds is designed for teachers, coaches, and experts who want to reach online. It has many features like course creation, quizzes, certificates, payment system, and student management. The platform tries to bring everything you need in one place. So you don't need many different tools to sell your knowledge. Today I will explain each step in simple language so even as a beginner you can follow this easily. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to build systems that earn you money online. In today's video, we are doing a LearnWorlds tutorial to show you exactly how to create and sell your online courses step by step. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to check the LearnWorlds yourself. By using the description link, any available free trial or special pricing that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First of all, you need to sign up on the LearnWorlds. So just check the link from description and you will be redirected on the official web page. Here you need to just create your account, click on this start a free trial, or you may directly on the register page from the description link. Okay, so here if you have an account you can just simply log in, or if you don't have then you can create a new account. It doesn't take too much time. Or maybe you will be directly on this page by clicking on the description link. Here if you have already account, just simply write your mail and password and then just log in. Or if you want then you can go with this sign in with Google, which is easier to sign up or log in. Or if you don't have any account then you have to create one, and that is very easy. So go with this, sign up today and create your first account. Basically it doesn't take too much time. You can easily create your account here. Now here for the easier account creation, I'm going with this sign up with Google, and you can see my account was created earlier and I am redirected on my dashboard. And if you don't have an account, you can create an account in just a minute. It doesn't take too much time or effort. So after signing up or creating your account, you will be on this page and you don't have this kind of like year school, because I have created this one easy access, but you have to create your first school. So to do that, just to be on the somewhere like this create a school, or here you can see create a school, or also here create new school. So just anywhere of these options and create your first school. Type your school name here and the domain here. Now since we are first time on this page or website, it will suggest us some like template. So select the template here according to your business or your like category, and I am selecting any of this template and just select and continue. And here it will ask some question to understand better about our like business or our like courses. So as you can see, it will ask you some question, just answer that according to your business or category. Now here I'm just giving the answer randomly and my role will be like business owner, and okay, let's do for and my business and marketing, and clicking finish. And you can see our school is completed and we give the name easy access. Now click on this, let's go. You can set the name of your school, you can upload your logo and adjust the basic settings. This is like creating a home for all of your courses. Now we are created our school website here from a template. So the next step obviously should be customizing our website, right? So let's customize that. So you can see there is a option customize your school's website. You can go from here, or if you want then simply click on this here on your school website. So click on this edit website. Now here you can set the name of your school here, you can upload logo and you can adjust the basic settings. This is like creating a home for all of your courses. So choose a simple and clean but memorable name, because this is what your students will see first. And also from here on the design you can change the color and you can set the theme color from this template. and you can change the font here. From the typography you can change the button, and just explore all of this and you can understand better, I hope. But I will suggest you to choose a simple and readable one for looking minimal. Now once your school is ready, let's say I want to go with this one and click on this save. So once your school is ready, the next thing is to create your first course. LearnWorlds gives you a course builder where you can add modules and lessons. So just go to back, and here you can see course and programs, and here you can see the courses. You can see there is two options, create course and here also. So just click on this. Now you have to write your course name here. And if you want, then you can add a description here for your course, and then just click on this pen icon here to upload your cover image of your course. Then just click on this here, or just drag and drop your file here to upload the image. Or if you want, then you can see there is some option like the unsplash and the image gallery, which is the inbuilt option. Okay, so I uploaded this image. Now click on this continue. You can set the course URL here, so I'm just keeping as it is. If you want, then you can change it. Now click on this continue. Now this is the main thing. How will the access of your course for your users, like free or paid or private, or which one? So let's say I want to add like the paid one. So click on this paid. Now click on this continue again. Now simply set the price. Let's say I want to add this like $20. Now click on this finish here. Now we are on the course builder. Now here you can add module and lessons. So think of a module as a chapter and a lesson is as a part of the chapter. So you can upload the videos, PDF file, audio and text inside the each lesson. For example, if you are teaching a course on social media marketing, you might have a module like the introduction, audience research, content creation, and tools and analytics. So inside each module, you put lessons that explain the topic step by step, right? So there are some options to start by yourself, and then the AI option, and if you want, then you can upload your file here. Now click on this start building from scratch, and same thing goes to here. Just keep the title here and write the description here of this module or the section. Then you can specifically set the like access here for the user. I'm just keeping it as free. Then click on save. Okay, now we are on the content page here. So adding content is easy. You just need to click on this add activity to add like this kind of activity here. Okay, you can see all of these options are available, or just upload the activity to upload from your storage or your local file. And you can add as much as you want to add the module. Let's say you are done with this 8 number of the section. Then click on this add section. It will add more. Just give it a name, then just give the description and select the access and then save. So this is how you can easily get access all of these things. Okay, let's say you are done with this, like uploading your content. Next thing is just go to the course page layout to edit this page layout here. So simply click on this edit course layout, and as you edit your website or landing page, similarly you can simply just by dragging and drop, you can edit this layout here. So I am not going to do that right now. Then next thing is the course setting. So go to general, and you can re-upload your cover image. You can write your name and the description and all of this here. You can add the author name, the author avatar, and you can see all of these are available. Okay, so next thing is the access. So as we said earlier, as a $20 for paid, you can change the access from here. And if you want, then you can change the public URL, what will be checked out after buying the course, and you can change all of these things. The next thing is the pricing. Here you can change the price from here, and if you want, then you can run a discount from here. Then let's talk about the next tab, the user progress. And you can set the rule from here, like if it is a PDF, then people should watch at least for its default for 5 seconds. You can change, so you can set the rule from here. Next thing is the course player, like how the player will look like. So it has some pre-built option, you can set from that. Next thing is video library. So here you can store all of your course video and you can organize all of this. Next, the automation. So if you are new here, don't worry, this is very simple. It's directly written what will the trigger and what is the action. Like when someone enroll for a course, then the automation automatically offer a bonus course. So basically this is how automation work, and you can read all of this and you can customize them. So next, let's come to the analytics part, which is inside. Now come to the dashboard of your course. So as regular, as a dashboard, you can see all of your history and your sale, your watch time, user, like as a student, the new user, active user, the total time, and the course revenue, and all of this. So you can see all of these thing here, and you can understand better for your course. And next thing is course insight, which is the main analytics. So basically this is important because here you can see all of the selling courses. LearnWorlds gives you the tool to communicate with the student, answer their question, and track their progress. Now when students feel supported, they are more likely to complete the course and recommend it to others. You can also see the analytics inside the LearnWorlds, like here, which lessons are most popular and where students are spend time. These help you to improve your course over time. Remember, creating a course is just the beginning. To be successful, you need to promote it, you need to listen the feedback, and you need to keep the track and updating your content. You can also create more courses and bundle them for higher value. So basically the important thing is here the design or edit your sales page. This is the place where potential students will learn about your course before buying. A good sales page explains what the course is about, who is it for, and what a student will learn, and why it is worth to buying. So use a clear and simple language. You can simply add a very relevant image here, or if you want, then you can add previews from your videos, and make sure this button is easy to find. So to conclude, LearnWorlds makes it simple to create and sell online courses step by step. With effort and smart promotion, your knowledge can become a source of income that reaches the students around the world. So that's all for today's video. If this LearnWorld tutorial helped you to understand how to build and sell the courses, then give this video a like and subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more simple tutorials and honest tool guides like this. And thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.